Planning to visit Botswana for tourism? Before you travel, you need a Botswana Visitor eVisa. The Visitor eVisa is an online travel permit that allows eligible travelers to enter Botswana for tourism purposes. You can apply without visiting an embassy. To apply, you must have a valid passport, a recent passport-size photograph, proof of travel plans, accommodation details, and proof that you can support yourself during your stay. The application process is simple. First, complete the online application form. Next, upload the required documents. Then, pay the visa fee securely online. After submission, your application will be reviewed. Once approved, your visitor eVisa will be sent to your email. Print a copy and carry it with your passport when traveling. You must present both at the port of entry. Apply for your Botswana Visitor eVisa today and prepare for your journey.